Rain or not, we're bringing you a new house, a new construction here in Arlington, Virginia. This gorgeous group of townhouses is located in the historically rich neighborhood of Green Valley, also known as Knock. It is a newly built townhouse and it's one of 4 available. It is currently listed for $1,174,000 by Julie Sapone from Keller Williams. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a powder room, a deck off of the gourmet kitchen so you can enjoy your morning coffee, a cozy fireplace, a walkout basement, tall ceilings, a 1-car garage, and a fenced yard, and so many other features. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. So as soon as you come in the house, you can come in through the main door, or you can come in the house through this 1-car garage. It is spacious for a 1-car garage. This is going to be your living room and dining room. You can easily fit a 6-person table. And here you're gonna have your only powder room. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the neighborhoods, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. And if you're relocating from out of state to the Northern Virginia area, or you're relocating inside the area, or you just simply have a question, please reach out, give us a call, send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions, we have answers. And this would be your gourmet kitchen, where you actually have a pretty good space for a breakfast table. The finishes and the selections are really good, and the craftsmanship from this builder is great. Like I mentioned before, this is one of 4 units. And this is an end unit. The space is really great. This would be your balcony, and more importantly, you have plenty of natural light with these 9-foot ceilings. Let's go to the 2nd level. On the 2nd level, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So let's start with the secondary bedrooms. Of course, you're gonna have here your laundry space. And then, again, continuing with the top, the light, it's plenty here in the area. So this, you have a bedroom with closet space and your Jack and Jill bathroom. Really nice selections with the finishes. And this would be your 2nd bedroom on the top level. Closet. And then let's go to the owner's suite. You have a linen closet here on the right, and then your bedroom. This bedroom is really spacious, and it has 2 closets. Walk-in closet number 1 and the second one here. This would be the second bedroom here on the top level, which would be your owner's bathroom. Huge shower. Again, with great selections on the finishes. If you want a private tour of this house or any other house in the Northern Virginia area, please send me a text message with the word tour and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule. And if you're out of town or you're new to the area, I am going to put a link here or here so that you can explore the neighborhood of Green Valley. Let's go to the basement. Plenty of space here in the basement, and you're gonna have a full 1 bedroom and a bathroom. Here you're gonna have a mechanical closet. One good thing that this designer, the architects did, is that there is plenty of storage space throughout the house. This will be your bedroom, which is not fully above the ground, but almost above the ground. And of course, from the basement, you have access to the exterior of the house. And then your full bathroom here in the basement. Thank you very much for touring this house with us. We post videos every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell. Again, thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.